Good day, madam. My name is Yvonne. Now I will present for project part 1, 2, and 3 for our case study, Foodpanda. For project part 1, it consists analysis of functional requirements and non-functional requirements in Foodpanda. First and foremost, we will discuss about functional requirements. The first functional requirement is food category. The food is categorized into different types and dishes such as Chinese, halal, Indian, and so on. User is able to choose the popular cuisine and dishes based on their preference faster. Next, the functional requirements is language display. There are 3 languages are available in Foodpanda, which are English, Mandarin, and Bahasa Melayu. User can select the language they want based on their preference. Now, we proceed to discuss about non-functional requirements. For non-functional requirements, privacy policy is a legislative policy requirement that explains how Foodpanda will use the user personal information that user is provided to Foodpanda by using their service. For project part 2, it consists of user design principle, existing API, and suggested API. Now we will discuss about the user design principle. User diversity is used based on user design principle. Interaction system is provided for various categories of user. For instance, Foodpanda has 3 types of interface for targeted user, such as customer, rider, and restaurant owner. The web page will redirect the user to certain interface according to their categories. Next, we will discuss about the type of API. Google Map API is one of the API that's being used by Foodpanda. The Google Map API are embedded for location-based filtering while ordering or delivering the food. For instance, Google Plus API will locate the location of customer and filter the available restaurant to be shown for customer. For project part 3, there is suggestion for future enhancement. My suggestion is adding e-wallet as one of the methods for payment. Different kind of e-wallet has been launched at Malaysia such as Boost, Touch and Go, Alipay, and so on. The user of Foodpanda will be more confident in making payment by adding e-wallet as one of the methods for payment. That is all from me. Thank you.
My name is Wong Xin Yi. I will continue to present our project, Foodpanda. The functional requirement means that define a system or its component. One of the functional requirements in Foodpanda website is choosing location. Customer can choose the location from the website. Then the system will search the restaurant that near to the user. After that, user ever order the food from the restaurant that near to their house. Another one of the functional requirement is add item to the order list. User ever view select item in the order list. They can add item from the menu list and insert the quantity in the order list. The total price will show based on the quantity. User can click the checkout button to confirm the order. The non-functional requirement means that define the quality attribute of the software system, such as terms and conditions. Customers are able to know that the price of food that include the tax, and the alcohol is not allowed to sell through the website. User interface design principle. Minimal surprise means never surprise the user. It has the similar buttons function with other websites such as delivery or pickup button and able to search the location. User also can click the search or filter button to search the favorite food. Type of API. Instagram API is one of the API that can found on the website. It shows the icon and user can click the Instagram icon from the website. Then it will link to the Instagram. User can follow the page to get the latest information such as promotion. The idea of suggestion for API that I discussed with T. Yvonne is reCAPTCHA. It can be used as security check to avoid from the hacker from using forms to insert the malicious code. My suggestion for future enhancement is add calories index of food on the menu. They can monitor the estimate index of the calorie and take care of their health easily. That's all from me. Thank you. I will pass to my next partner.
My name is Keaton Dixie, 18042 from Software Engineering 02A. I'm going to talk about foodpanda. First, functional requirement in payment. After we selected the food run order, the system will display the payment details and prompt the user to select their payment method. foodpanda provided cash on delivery, debit or credit card, and online banking. If you choose online banking, the system will link to the banking website. Next, non-functional requirement in security. This is the basic need of a system. The system should protect customer information by having password protection. Also, the system should prevent virus and hacker from stealing data. Furthermore, user interface design of user guidance. You click the button Help Center, the system will jump out a box list with each type of question and also provide the solution of each type of question and given the link needed of the problem. foodpanda also provided login API. The user no need to create a account with a new username and password, just using email or Facebook. If you connected with a Facebook account, you just click the Facebook login button. It will direct login and without password. It's more easier and faster for user. That's all for me. Thank you.
A very good day I bid to Madam Fauzia and my fellow classmates. My name is Danisha Devin. My matrix number is CA19114.
And I'm Swashni, matrix ID CA19116.
So today we'll be talking about foodpanda, and the first part is functional requirements. So the first thing for functional requirements is active orders. Customers can view their past orders from the drop-down under their profile name. This allows customers to reorder their past orders easily. Next is the delivery time. There are various choices for delivery time, and the user are allowed to pre-order their food for up to 4 days.
Okay, next, reporting requirement. So if let's say the customer discover any security vulnerability or would like to report, they actually can email to foodpanda. So this will actually increase the customers to use foodpanda more because it's more secure. And next slide. And then time to time, foodpanda also offer a promotional campaign like vouchers, discounts, and other promotional offers so that it will attract customers to use foodpanda. Next.
Okay, what are the non-functional requirements? First up is usability. This is said because the system is easy to use and it is known as usability requirements. The system should be easy to use by the customers and should be organized in such a way that user error are as minimal as possible. This is to ensure that the customers will not make any error while placing their order.
Okay, next, liability. So vendors are responsible for the preparation, condition, and quality of goods. In case of vendor delivery, vendors are responsible for delivery of the goods and order. Next slide.
User interface design principles. So first is user familiarity. The interface of the app should be in terms and concepts from experienced people so that it will be easy to understand. Not only that, there are also various people from various backgrounds, making it easier for them to browse the app because there are also various language available on the app.
Okay, next, recoverability. The foodpanda has 7 days from the date of its written acknowledgement of receipt to inspect whether goods or service deliverable are rejected, to approve samples or otherwise failing to confirm the requirements in this agreement the supplier shall. So if let's say a corrective action need to be taken to the sample of the goods or services deliverable to confirm of the requirements in this agreement to customer and Foodpanda satisfaction. So with this, we can gain customers' attention to use Foodpanda app. Next.
Okay, next is the type of API. So the first thing is logistics API. Foodpanda has a logistic API which enables the customers to track their process of the order, such as the preparation period and many more. The customer will also be notified when the rider has picked up their order from a selected restaurant or shop. Once the customer has placed their order, they will be able to see the estimated time of arrival of the order.
Okay, next will be security API. So Foodpanda has a chat with your riders and help center. So Foodpanda manages all their customer services inquiries through Zendesk support and Zendesk chat. So this helps them to deliver the feedback faster and accurately on time to the riders and the customers. So in addition to it, customer also can chat with the riders instead of calling Foodpanda directly to know where the riders actually are. So with this, it will help the customer and the riders interaction more. And yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Alright, that's all. Thank you.
Greetings, I'm Sharani, matrix number CA19081. First up, it's a functional requirement that uses system user or help guide. It consists of help manual or guidance which offer customer to have virtual chat or manual information that help customer in case of any inquiries through web page screen together with the help manual if they face any minor problems. Next is historical data or order summary. The system shall provide order summary which help customer to keep track of their past orders. For non-functional requirement, it is optimized display that has a very strong stimulating effect image of all products and it's priced for an easy view of item cards. This function enables customer to know the prices and have a clear picture of what they are ordering, and the card helps to view the number of items they ordered. Next up is user interface design principle. As such is consistency. Consistency can be seen in every structure of each feature and tabs, and it helps to minimize expectation, which creates a sense of familiarity and reliability towards the app and promote focus on the app without altering the mode. Next is the type of API. Payment API, which enable customer to process payment through the source payment gateway. Payment information are all set and saved into Foodpanda payment database so that customer will experience simple checkout at the end of process. A suggestion for API is Food Nutrition Data Search API. Help Foodpanda to customers to analyze their nutritional intake, value, and food component data that helps customer to choose a better quantity and quality of food which is suitable for their body. Suggestion is to provide a rider profile management system. It is a management system that manages profiling the details of riders appointed to the customer for delivery purpose. It consists of detailed information about riders' name, picture, motorbike information, ratings, feedbacks. This will enhance reliability and gain more confidence and custom in purchasing more from Foodpanda.